Those who have created their account on the portal, please let me know by typing in a 1 or yes in the chat box. And others can just click on the link of the portal and create an account for yourself or sign up using your existing Google accounts. Let me do that for you. If you just click on the login button, you will be redirected to a sign up page. Here you can either create an account for yourself, that is just simply put in your mail ID and create a password for yourself, or use any of your Google accounts to sign up on the portal. Please let me know in the chat box once you have completed your sign up, or if you have already signed up on the portal. So Manaswini, for a person with a background of chemistry, if you are interested in biochemistry, then definitely it's computer-aided drug designing or drug repurposing that you can proceed further with. And we will be having a session on structural biology, computational biology, for the structural aspect of biology specifically. So there, I think you might find your research interest and you can work on it. Right, Dr. Mohit? Would you like to give a suggestion to Manaswini on that? Okay, now I would be ending the poll. Thank you everyone for answering the questions in the poll. Now, if you have completed your sign up, let me just show you quickly how you can update your profile and why is it important to have an updated profile on the portal. So if you click on your mail address on the menu bar that you can see on the portal on the top, you will be redirected to a profile section. It's very important that you have an updated profile because this is the way we get to know about your progress. We monitor your progress at the back end, and we do feature the best profiles with the best progress and scores on our social media platforms. And therefore, it's important to have an updated profile picture. Please make sure that your name is in title case and you have linked your social media accounts, and also add a brief bio about yourself. It could be about your educational background and your research interest. And also, when you will be a part of the workshop, then you will get the starter subscription active for a month, where you will get the access to all the courses on the Omics Logic portal that you can learn from. Now, if I take you through the portal and guide you how you can navigate through the portal, so you just need to click on the courses tab on the menu, and you will be redirected to a list of courses that you can see here. On the right side, you will see various tabs which mentions multi-omics fields and data science. Now let's see, you just want to see what all courses are present that you can learn from. So just click on course and every course will be displayed in the menu. And you can simply pick the course that you would like to learn from. Also, if you would like to go through any of the project examples, then all you need to do is just click on the projects and you will get a list of example projects where you will learn how the methodologies and the concepts that you will learn in the course could be applied to answer a real life research problem. I request all the participants to please mute themselves. And if you have any question, please put in the chat box for me to answer. Thank you. Okay. So now talking about the workshop registration. So if you just click on the programs tab on the menu on the portal, you will be redirected to a list of programs. Here you need to just simply type workshop and you will be redirected to the page of workshop on computational biology and biomedical data science. On this program page, when you'll scroll down, you'll find the schedule first of all. The schedule is listed for the 27th and 28th of the workshop. We will be soon listing out the Prima's Life Sciences schedule as well. On the program page, you will find 3 different levels that you can pick and enroll for the workshop. The first level is the beginner's level, that is for $15. The intermediate level is for $30 and advanced is for $45. Now, what is the difference between these 3 different levels? In the first level, definitely you will get the access to all the resources on the Learn Omics Logic portal. In the intermediate level, you will get the access to one-on-one mentor support that is missing from the beginners level, where you will be getting the assistance only in group meetings. But in case of intermediate, you will get the one-on-one mentor support as well. And in the advanced license, you will get some extra time to work on any of the projects that you may propose in during the duration of your working on any of the courses on the portal, right? So that is the difference between these three different levels. Many a times participants get confused which level should they pick up. So if you want to work on a short project for submitting in your institutes as a report, or just for your experience to get some hands-on, then an advanced license will be the best for you. If you are looking for some one-on-one mentor guidance, then an intermediate level will be the best one for you, or else the beginner level is always there that you can opt for. And once you pick any of the subscription types, you will get the access to all the courses on the OmicsLogic portal. Just the difference would be in the duration of the time period that you will be getting the access to. So that was the very simple process to get yourself registered